Hello, my name is Mary Ann Clark, also known as Max Chat Noir here in Second Life. I've recently retired from teaching biology at Texas Wesleyan University, but taught genetics classes here in Second Life for 14 years.
Hi, I'm Eric Moore, Medi Martian in World. I'm Program Director for the Masters of Science in Cybersecurity Leadership at Seattle University. The models of teaching provide an example of using virtual worlds to teach. Classrooms in virtual worlds do not have to look like real-life classrooms, and it's interesting to see how different instructors have used the resources of this world. We invited a few of those who have used virtual worlds as a teaching venue to create an exhibit to share an example of their classrooms and why they chose that approach.
The exhibits are diverse in content and represent K-12, higher ed, and lifelong learning experiences.
I run cybersecurity operations for both government and private sector institutions and bring experience from those to the work I do here in Second Life. Along with the team from Norwich University, I built CyberX as a set of experiences in Second Life where students can experience immersive scenarios that prepare them for roles in cybersecurity. Scenarios include collecting digital evidence from physical devices, doing physical security audits of a data center, security for a foreign bureau, and working in a network operations center. The CyberX space is publicly accessible. The example here in VWEC is the physical security audit of a data center. As you enter the door, follow the instructions on the poster and see how well you do identifying physical security risks and related safety, business continuity, information security, and similar functions. You're welcome to engage here or see the full scenarios at the CyberX Sim. Back to you, Max.
I built Genome Island in Second Life as a virtual laboratory where students can practice scientific thinking by testing and evaluating hypotheses about genetics. Many of the experiments on Genome represent actual experiments done by investigators who uncover the operation of various aspects of genetics, from the Mendelian laws to bioinformatics. You can see and play with a few of those experiments here. My former dean used to say that science is the next best thing to recess. This activity is from the cattery, where the inheritance of different genes determining cat coat colors can be seen. This particular section is about the red or orange gene, which is on the X chromosome. 4 different sets of cat parents each produce a set of kittens. The information about the color and sex of each kitten goes into the chat record. From there it can be copied and pasted into a spreadsheet for analysis.
Both CyberX and Genome Island are publicly accessible, and you're welcome to come and visit. The teaching activities represented at the Models of Teaching are diverse and represent all levels of education as well as lifelong learning activities. You can get the SLURLs and more information by clicking below.